Grüßt euch. Welcome to the first video in our German 1B series of the Common Classroom Errors. So, just two quick things to take a look at today. First, if we're looking at it, is a question about vocabulary. So you're talking about where you live in the question, and the word we teach you is wohnen. But you may also see the word leben, and both those translate to live. So how do we know the difference between those, or what is the difference between those? Wohnen talks about where you reside, where's your house at, whereas leben is talking about whether something's alive or not. And it can be interchangeable a little bit with this one if we're talking on a really big scale. Like, I live in America, leben would be fine to use for, but they're not totally interchangeable, so we want to be sure, or I want to be sure to try and push you towards using wohnen for these questions, or for this class at least. The other thing that comes up sometimes is switching up lieben and leben. And remember, leben means live, lieben means love. And sometimes I see or hear the wrong one being used, so be careful with that. The other thing is just a question of prepositions. So remember, ich komme aus Michigan. I'm from Michigan. Or I live in, ich wohne in Michigan. Sometimes I see these reversed or just forgotten entirely, and it's been a while since we did this at the start of the German 1A semester, so we can understand that. But just do your best to keep those in the back of your mind.